Prophecy 7. The love of many shall wax cold, from the Chronicles of the end time prophecies. And I beheld in the visions of the latter days, and a voice said unto me, Look and see what shall come upon the hearts of men. And as I looked, the sight was grievous. For in those days, when iniquity would overflow its banks like a raging river, the love of many would grow cold. The fire that once warmed families, friendships, communities, and even the assemblies of the righteous would flicker and fade. I saw homes divided, where affection once flourished but now distrust reigned. Children turned their backs on the wisdom of their fathers. Husbands and wives dwelt together yet lived apart in spirit. Kindness became a rarity, and forgiveness a forgotten language. I beheld the streets of nations, and compassion was withered like a leaf scorched by the sun. Men walked past the wounded without a glance. The cry of the needy stirred no heart. The world celebrated hardness as strength and despised love as weakness. Then I saw a grievous thing in the household of faith. Many who once lifted their hands with burning zeal now worshipped with cold lips and colder hearts. Offense multiplied, betrayal increased, the spirit of brotherhood weakened. Those who loved the truth became few, and those who loved themselves became many. For sin increased greatly, and as darkness rose, it cast a frost upon the hearts of multitudes. And the Spirit said unto me, This is the age where the wax shall melt, and the flame of love shall die in many. Yet amidst the chilling winds, the Lord preserved a remnant, men and women who refused to let their flames die. They stirred their hearts daily in prayer, praise, and obedience. They loved without fear, forgave without measure, and stood as warm lights in a world growing cold. And it was shown to me that though the love of many shall wax cold, the love of the faithful shall burn brighter until the appearing of the Lord.